Kuom luonge kanyo ni Ali Abich mano report mawuok Migori mabende otim kanyo kod reporter marwa Joju madoni moro mi aduoki chien matin kotero koda weche mag cheno mar dayo dho jogo molok dho ginda wang' lemo mar komishonas mag duol matayo yede pacho kamano IEBC mabende pod nyime ka jogo midayo dhogi kawuono gin ka oting'o Neli Longo mosetayo chenro mag chung' ne yiero e kaunti ma Mombasa e kinde mokalo. Obadia Keitani mage sani tiyo ka jalup jatatije e duol mar IEBC.
Every day, there are people who are incarcerated. The ones who are there today were not there yesterday, for example. And those who are there in today need to vote. So how would you, assuming now you are rolling out the program?
Thank you. The IEBC is mandated to conduct continuous voter registration. If that is the law, then the same ought to be applied to those who are incarcerated so that they are not disadvantaged in any way. Because the reason why IEBC is mandated to continue regular registration, continuous registration, and not just when we have the elections coming, is so that the voter roll is updated and the right to participate in the election is enhanced.
Daktari.
Yes, ma'am.
You have heard of the NADCO report.
Yes.
One of the recommendations in that report is to remove the requirement that the chairperson of IEBC be a person qualified to hold office of the Supreme Court judge. The first question I want to ask you is, do you agree with that recommendation, and why you agree with that recommendation? And if you do not agree with that recommendation, why do you not agree with that recommendation?
There is always something good in aspiring for the best. In my view, that is a good thing to have that requirement. I do not think there is any good reason in wanting to go lower if it's available.
Kindly elaborate to us what the procedure or how business conducted at the commission, IEBC in this case.
The quorum is 5, but the absence of a commissioner that will not actually necessitate, that there is no quorum. Then secondly, it is about the manner of decision making. Consensus is encouraged, but if that is not achieved, then voting is actually conducted. Then there's also provision for dispute resolution. The other thing is about, the Secretariat keeping proper records of all the deliberations and the decisions made, and dissemination of the same to the concerned entities.